Now if we look at this example here, in this line there's no space. In this line there's a single space before the actual text begins. Here we've got 2 spaces and it carries on sort of growing as we go down. So what I want to do here is basically sort of duplicate this list but without the leading spaces. So how do I do that? Well, I click here, go to Formulas, go to Text, scroll down to Trim, which is there, and basically I just specify that cell there and click on OK. So we're going to trim that. Once I drag this down, it's trimmed all of those lines, so it's got rid of the leading spaces. And that's the trim function.